Hi, there's a fire at the airport, so I'm waiting here with my friends on a whisper to come out. But I thought I'd just comment a little bit. Cavaliers FC is not my friend, not my favorite club, and for sure, Speed and I don't get along. But I went to the National Stadium and I went to support a Jamaican team and a Jamaican coach playing in this game. What I saw was shocked me. I've been to so many games all over the world and I've never seen a home team cheer for the opponent that much, dressed in the opponent's gear. Listen, we can respect Messi, we can rate him, he's the number one player in the world, one of, because there's Cristiano. But the fact is, we need to develop our own pride. As a footballing nation, we're not that far off from Inter Miami. We're not that far off, or the players are not that bad. We actually need to start to believe in more in our players, more in the potential and the capacity to grow. We need to stop selling ourselves short in terms of transfers and where we send our players. We need to work hard on the development because the natural ability is there. And we need to start recognizing that pride in our nation goes beyond fan worship. We should have all been there to support Cavaliers in Cavaliers gears or in Jamaica gears or in nothing at all. But definitely not in Inter Miami gears. And we would never be able to go to an Inter Miami game and see the people of America in Jamaican gears cheering for Jamaica against Inter Miami. You would never see that. Start to believe in ourselves as a nation, as a footballing nation. I've been trying for 20 years for you guys to get it. We can be much greater than we are. And if you ever doubt it, look at Usain Bolt. Look at what LIONEL is becoming. Yeah? One day, I still believe that LIONEL will be one of, if not the best player in the world. And if not LIONEL, then it will come up one of the other boys coming up. But we have to instill that pride in our country, instill that belief, instill that faith. And it comes not from just the federation or the clubs, but the people of Jamaica. Stop breaking down everybody. Stop ridiculing the Craig Butlers or the Speed or using it as a means to argue. Give supportive comments and try and let's see how we can build this nation's football. Anyway, one love still. Me wait for whisper.